Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry for NEET in 10 days. We'll cover a strategic approach to maximize your scores. This plan helps you efficiently tackle the vast syllabus. By focusing on key areas and smart study techniques, you can significantly boost your preparation. We'll break down each chemistry section, providing actionable steps to ensure you're well prepared and confident for the exam. For organic chemistry, understanding reaction mechanisms is crucial, not just rote memorization. Focus on named reactions and their specific reagents. Dedicate about 3 hours daily to this section. Practice conversions regularly and solve at least 20 to 30 multiple-choice questions each day. This consistent practice will solidify your understanding and improve your problem-solving speed for the exam. Inorganic chemistry often relies on factual recall. Systematically learn periodic table trends and their exceptions. Prioritize topics like chemical bonding, coordination compounds, and p-block elements, which carry significant weight. Spend around 2 hours daily on this. Make short, crisp notes for quick revision and thoroughly review your insert textbooks. This approach ensures you cover essential facts accurately. For physical chemistry, mastering formulas and their applications is key. Practice at least 15 to 20 numerical problems daily to build speed and accuracy. Allocate the final 2 days of your 10-day plan entirely to comprehensive revision and taking full-length mock tests. Critically analyze your mistakes from these tests to identify weak areas. This focused effort will significantly enhance your overall score.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.